In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best ergonomic keyboards. Starting at number 3. Perixx Periboard 512. Like other ergonomic keyboards, the Perixx Periboard has a split key design and palm rest to promote a more relaxed position when typing. Still, its affordable price tag sets it apart. Other ergonomic features include tactile keystrokes, which means you won't have the clickiness that some other mechanical keyboards have. While this wired USB keyboard is designed for Windows, it can also be used with Mac computers. And though you might not get the add-ons that more expensive keyboards offer, the 7 hotkeys which allow you to perform common functions like launching your email program in one click are a nice touch. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Logitech Ergo K860. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line wireless ergonomic keyboard, the Logitech Ergo connects via Bluetooth technology from up to 10 meters. You'll also get up to 24 months of use on 2 AAA batteries. Standout features include the adjustable tilting legs, the pillow-like wrist rest, and the sloped keyboard design. Each of these helps reduce strain by allowing you to customize the typing experience so that your wrist is in its perfect natural position. The adjustable legs are particularly helpful if you use a standing desk or you switch between different office chairs throughout the day. Even more, it's perfect for anyone who prefers quiet keys and a soft keyboarding experience. And number 1 of this list. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic. A popular choice for years, the Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic keyboard uses a split dome design to create a more natural resting position for your wrists and forearms. Every detail from the cushioned palm rest to the curved keys that mimic your finger shape promotes comfort for those long workdays on the computer. Because using an alternative keyboard can be a bit of a learning curve, the Microsoft Sculpt is a solid, affordable choice for anyone new to ergonomics. All of these items are available on Amazon. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.